Hi guys, hope you all are doing good. So in this video I'm going to tell how to set up VS Code. So I'm going to explain step by step how to set up VS Code in your desktop. If there are any beginners watching this video and you need to don't get worried because I'm going to tell step by step how to set up VS Code in your desktop. So video is complete for beginners. So without any delay, let's get started. So first you need to open your Google browser and search for VS Code and VS Code download. So you need to click the first website. So download Visual Studio Code. I'm going to click here. So we get download Visual Studio Code. We have Windows, Linux and Mac. Currently I'm using Windows 10, so I'm clicking on Windows 10. If you are using Mac or any other OS, you need to click according to it. So it's automatically downloading here. You need to click download here. So it's 175 MB. It takes some time. So after completing the installation, you need to click open file and you need to click next until you get a dialog box of finish. I am not going to click because I am already installed it. So I'm going to open it now. So after opening the VS Code, the interface will be look like this. So this is how to set up VS Code on your desktop. Hope this video is helpful for everyone. If you have any doubts, you can ask in the comment section. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next one.